Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to take out subtitle from a YouTube video. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online videos. You can even create and upload your own videos to share with others. Originally created in 2005, YouTube is now one of the most popular sites on the web, with visitors watching around 6 billion hours of video every month. So, to take out subtitle from a YouTube video, you first need to go to the web browser and type YouTube on the search bar and hit enter. Play the video you want to download the subtitle from. Now click on three dots which is just below the video. Click on Show Transcript. It will then show you the subtitle. Now click on the three dots above the transcript. Click on Toggle Timestamps. It will remove time from the captions. Now copy the captions, open Microsoft Word and paste it there. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.